To make Blackberry Buttermilk Buckle, start by making the crumb topping. Scale into a mixing bowl 25 grams whole wheat cake flour, 20 grams cold butter cut into cubes, and 25 grams cinnamon icing sugar. Rub the butter into the flour and sugar for a few minutes until uniformly crumbly and set the bowl aside. Then to make the batter, spread 10 grams of room temperature butter on the bottom of 3 small mason jars to cook the batter on, and scale the wet and dry ingredients separately. For the dry, scale 25 grams whole wheat cake flour, 5 grams baking powder, and 15 grams cane sugar, and mix them together. Then for the wet ingredients, scale 25 grams buttermilk, 1 whole egg, and a little grated nutmeg. Mix the dry into the wet ingredients until combined, and divide the batter between the 3 jars. Add 40 grams blackberries to each jar, making sure to press the berries into the batter, and finish with a layer of crumb topping. Then bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for 45 minutes. Allow to cool and serve warm with your favorite ice cream.